my dear students. Today I am going to tell you about a game, and that game is based upon the operations on integers. Operations on integers like addition, subtraction or multiplication. And today I am going to tell you about this game by taking multiplication of integers. So what you need for this game? We need a board, that is, or you can say you can make it by taking a chart paper on which the numbers are written from the positive 104 till negative 104. Here the 0 is written at the middle and positive numbers towards the right side and negative number towards the left side as usual. But the negative numbers are coming down afterwards, as you have seen the snake and ladder. Means just after -5, -6 will come just next to it like this, and they will end till -104. And similarly in the positive, after 5, 6 will just adjacent to it and then continue till this row, and then like this they will end up till positive 104 upwards and negative is at the downwards. What else we need? But obvious, to play the game we need counters. This game can be played between 2 players, can be more also, but I am going to tell you about the 2 players. So these are the 2 counters which I have chosen. And but obvious, we are going to use the dice. Yes, always the dice game, we always find them interesting. So these are the dice which we are going to use. Here you can see there are 2 colored dice. One is red and one is blue. There are actually two dice. These both are of red and both are of blue. The red dice will represent the positive integers and the blue will represent the negative integers. We are going to use this bag also, in which we will put up all these 4 dices. We'll take out when required. I'm going to tell you, don't worry. So first of all, the 2 players will going to play this game. So let us give the name to the players. Let us take any name, suppose Ayush, and second name I'm taking Udit. They both are going to play the game. Okay, now they have chosen 2 counters, one yellow and one green. You can choose any of the 2 colors, and they keep the counters on the 0. The game will start from the 0. So both the counters. So yellow color is chosen by Ayush. So I am making a yellow color here, small circle, and the green here, as Udit have chosen the green color. Putting a line here. Now we'll do a little bit calculation here. I'm just showing, it is not compulsory to use this paper, but I'm telling you so that you can understand about the rules of the game. So now let me tell you how to play. As you know, I have put all the 4 dice here. Now suppose the turn of Ayush is first. That you can take out from like the flicking of the coin, or by stone, paper, scissors, or any of the ideas you can come to know that who will play the first. So suppose Ayush will play the first. So now we will just shake the dices inside the bag, and without looking inside it, you can take any of the bag, but the bag should not be transparent, like we cannot see the colors of the dice. Okay, we should not be biased. So you can choose any kind of bag. So I have choose this. Now after shaking, just take out any of the 2 dices. Suppose these 2 are coming out. Now Ayush will roll the dice. After rolling, you can see after rolling 5 and 3 have come, and 5 come of the blue, and blue shows the negative. So -5 will be multiplied, as we are using multiplication of integers. We are playing this game in this manner. So -5 multiplied by +3. So what can be the answer? -15. That you know, if a negative integer is multiplied with the positive, so the answer is -15 here. So what to do now? Now as the turn is of Ayush, so Ayush have to move 15 steps towards the negative integers. So if we start from 0, the After moving 15 steps, Ayush will come. So Ayush color is yellow. Ayush will come at minus 15. Okay, now the turn of Udit will come. Now again these dices are being put up in this, and without looking onto them they are just shaked, and we take any of the two dices. Oh, this time both are red. Okay, so now rolling of dice. After rolling, it comes 6 and 1. So they are showing both positive. So plus 6 is multiplied with plus 1 means the answer is 6. Now for 6, Udit have to move 6 steps towards the positive side. So he's moving till here. Okay, so this is one turn completed of both the players in this way. Now again we will put up all the dices here, and now again whose turn is there? Ayush's turn. So again Ayush will shake and take out two dice, any of the two. Now this time again one red and one blue for the Ayush, and he will roll, and now 5 and 6 comes. 5 and 6. 5 is of negative as it is blue, and 6 of positive as it is red, as we decided earlier. So 6 5 is 30, so minus 30. Now Ayush have to move 30 steps towards the negative sides. 30 steps towards the negative side. So this is Ayush's counter. So 30 steps. Now you can think of minus 15 and minus 30. Minus 15 addition minus 30. So it comes out to be minus 45. Either you can do like this, or if you will not believe, but you have to believe, then you can count the numbers like till 30. Like minus 15, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till minus 45 you will reach after counting. So this is Ayush's turn. Now again the turn of Udit will come. Again they are being shaked. Two dice has been taken out. Again red and blue have come. But this is Udit's turn. So he will roll the dice and play. Now this is 5 and 1. 5 are of positive and 1 is negative. So you can write 5 positive and 1 negative. So the answer is minus 5. Now minus 5 means 5 steps towards the negative side. So negative side will come this side. So 5 steps towards this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either this way, or what you can do, you can just do as he was on 6. 6 plus minus 5. If you solve, the answer will come 1. Means he will reach at 1. So in this way, he reached at 1. So the two turns I have shown you for the Ayush and Udit. Now how the game will end and who will be the winner. In this way they will continue the turn by turns, and the player who will reach the minus 104 or 104 anywhere, either at the top corner or at the bottom corner, the person who will reach here or here will be the winner, who will reach the first. So this is the game, and I hope you find it interesting, and this is really interesting game if you try, and you're going to enjoy. And side by side, learning is always fun. You are learning and you are having fun, and you are learning the operations of integers. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much.